AI has exploded in the last 2 years, and everywhere you look, people are trying to do startups, entrepreneurship efforts, and there are so many AI tools that pop up literally every single day. So why not use it for college applications? In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 AI tools that you can use for your college application or profile building, basically as a student, to make sure that you're working smarter as well as getting all of your work done. Now, in my opinion, these tools can easily help a student get one step closer to their dream university, whether that's Harvard, Stanford, MIT, or whatever. So make sure you use these responsibly, and let's begin. The first one on our list is Perplexity AI. Now this one is personally my favorite. I literally have it on my phone, laptop, and I use it almost every single day. It's slowly starting to replace Google for me. The best part about Perplexity AI is it gives you bullet point based information for whatever you ask in an organized way. Now, one of the things that I'm starting to dislike about Google is there are just so many pieces of information out there on the internet. You don't know what to rely on, what's true, and a lot of times you just get bombarded with these ads. All of this is taken away through Perplexity AI. It gives referenced information with accurate citation sources so you can know where this is actually being taken from. This is the best part. Now, Perplexity AI is built by an Indian founder, Arvind Srinivas, here in the Bay Area. And the best use case that I can think of for students is you can use it as a study buddy. So whether you're trying to learn some new concepts or work on research, you can use Perplexity AI to try to summarize difficult concepts for you. It's like your own personal tutor if you use it in the right way. The next one is Claude AI. Now this one is a programming tool that you can ask it to code without being a coder yourself, and it can do a bunch of cool stuff for you. The use case for students that I see is many students don't have a portfolio website, basically a resume website of what you're about or what your dislikes are, basically a web page that is your resume in a really nice presented way. In the past, students would always say that they didn't know how to program or code, so they couldn't make this website, or they didn't have time to learn how to program or code, so they couldn't make this website. Now, all of this is taken away. You can easily just ask Claude AI to write the entire code for you, and it'll show you a preview of what the website could look like. You can use it to make chat bots. You can use it to make sign-up newsletters, portfolio websites, literally anything you want. You just describe it as a text and it will write the entire program and show you a preview of the executed code right there. So me, without being a programmer or a coder, can use it so easily, so I can just imagine it can be so helpful for a lot of students like you. Number 3 on our list is Knowee. Now this is perfect if you are trying to prep for any exam. So whether that's IIT JEE, your SAT, AP exams, ACT, whatever the exam is, with Knowee, you basically just take a screenshot of the question, and it doesn't just give you the answer, it gives you an explanation of how that problem was solved. Now, the best part is it saves you so much time of trying to go in textbooks or trying to find the solution or trying to find how that solution was arrived to. All of this can just be done with this tool open on your computer as a separate tab. Number 4 on our list is NotebookLM by Google. Now this is one of the more recent launches that Google did, and there are so many fantastic uses for NotebookLM. As the name suggests, it's like a virtual notebook, but it does so much more. What I use it for is basically put in a really long document and you can make a podcast out of it. So NotebookLM will create a talking version of that document as if two people are conversing, and you can just listen to it.
Ever had one of those like really nasty eye infections?
Oh,
It
yeah.
kind of just makes your eye feel like it's on fire. And then you have that agonizing wait for the test.
So for me, I like to listen to podcasts when I'm going to work and when I'm driving back. So this is a perfect way to get and absorb that information. Now, the best part about NotebookLM that I like, which is different than a lot of AI tools out there, is you can upload documents. Let's say you upload 2 research papers and you ask the AI bot questions. You basically ask the AI tool questions after you've uploaded these 2 papers. The answers that it gives you is going to be based on the 2 documents that you uploaded and not just everything on the internet. So it's streamlined information that you can get, and you know that whatever it's telling you is from the actual documents that you've uploaded and it's coming from a reliable source. Number 5 is Winston AI. Now, Winston AI is a plagiarism detector tool. And I know you guys are thinking that this isn't anything new. There are so many out there like Quillbot and GPT-0, but Winston AI is different. It's built on Claude 2 and it basically detects paraphrasing as well as plagiarism. So it's much more accurate and precise than a lot of the other AI bots that are out there. So whether you're trying to submit your assignment for your school homework or a research-based project or any sort of essay, you can actually submit your work in Winston AI before you submit it wherever it needs to go to make sure that you're in the clear. So while using all of these AI tools, you can also be confident that you're not going to get flagged for copying someone else's work. The last one on our list is futurepedia.io. Now, it sounds like Wikipedia, which is almost what it is. It's basically a home for all of the most recent AI tools. You can search for anything regarding studying or video editing or making websites. There are different categories that you can choose from. And the best part is you can even sort by what new AI tool was added today to see the most recent AI platforms that are constantly being added. So you can keep yourself informed and in the know of the latest technology that's being released. Now, those were the 6 AI tools that are my top favorite. Most of these are free to use, so for students, this is perfect. In short, if you aren't using AI in your life, you're definitely going to fall behind. The point is, use it responsibly and make sure that you're not just using it as a copy and paste tool. You need to learn how to talk to one AI, get the response, and then put that response in another model to get the most accurate answer for the question that you're looking for. And that is how you use AI effectively. This is going to be a huge tool in the future when it comes to applying to colleges, and it can basically help you during the entire process, almost like replacing Google and the entire search engine. So if you're watching till this point, I want to know from you guys, what is your favorite AI tool? Mine is, I mentioned in the beginning of the video, is Perplexity AI because I can use it on an everyday basis. There are so many others out there like Napkin AI, Julius AI that I use again for specific tasks, like when I need to make graphs or figures or presentations. So there are these specific function-based AI that I also use. So I want to know from you guys, like, what is your go-to AI tool right now? Even if it's like ChatGPT, put that in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe for more, and let me know if you want to see more of these AI and college-based videos. I can make a ton of these. These were just 6 of the tools that are most popular, but there are so many more that I would love to talk about. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.